I know I have something your guild has never seen before. Hi, I'm Linda Nitzen from Tustin, California. I'm the owner of Sewing 101. We exclusively sell Tilda fabrics and products, which is why I can offer you something you've never seen before, the Tilda Trunk Show. With the Tilda Trunk Show, I can offer you 20 to 25 quilted projects along with pillows and dolls. Each one is extraordinary. These are the Tilda marketing samples and you're not going to want to miss it. I have been in the quilt industry for over 20 years, teaching people nationally and internationally how to quilt and sew. Along with the lecture, I will bring you a Tilda pop-up shop. I can also teach a 6-hour Tilda workshop. For the workshop, you have several different Tilda pillows to choose from, or you can choose one of my own designs. All of the workshop projects are very beginner friendly. The bird, the pumpkins, the dresses, the hen house, the spring hare and flower, the winter scene, even the ocean breeze quilt is very much beginner friendly. These curves are an illusion. Half square triangle, 4-patch, plain squares, and then we have this one that a lot of people need to recognize, and that's the triangle and a square. The Marry Me Rings pillow is also a project that we can do in the workshop. And the curves are fusible applique. Super simple, very beginner friendly. When you see these quilts in person, I'm certain you're going to love them as much as I do. I can't wait to meet you, and I look forward to being at your guild soon.